care if you've never written a book, if you've got 5 books, if you've got 100 books. These classes are going to help you in your goals of being a writer.
I would say you're going to get more information than I think any other coaching program could give you. It's quality information from people who are top of their game, and so many of them. So you get different viewpoints and different angles and different ways of thinking about things that I don't think you can get anywhere else, to be honest, not at this caliber.
Well worth the time and money. Don't even think about it, just sign up.
One of the best decisions you'll ever make as a writer is to come to InkersCon and learn all about the process. Whether you're self-published or traditional, you need the information in InkersCon.
InkersCon is awesome. If you are a writer or wanting to write, this is the place you should be.
If you want to find the right tactics, the things that'll work, the people you should be paying attention to in the industry, InkersCon is the place to go.
Because of InkersCon, my business has definitely improved. For anyone thinking about attending the event in Dallas, I would say that you have to do it. It is the best thing to be in person with your peers and getting to talk with them, talk shop, talk fun, but just being able to be in person with them, and then being able to be in the sessions with the speakers while it's happening. It's magical.
Everyone is so welcoming, and it doesn't matter where you are in your author journey, you belong here, and everyone acts like you do, and I think it's just great.
It felt like the information that they were going to be providing would be attainable and achievable, and that was really interesting to me, and that's one of the main reasons that I decided to come. I like to think that since coming to InkersCon, I've gotten a lot better when it comes to my craft. I have a much better understanding of how to tell stories.
I figured that this was the best place to start. Being surrounded by a group of authors that actually were selling books. My favorite thing about it definitely is just the camaraderie of this. It's an intimate gathering of like-minded people all striving toward similar goals. It's the best thing that I've ever done for my author career by far.
InkersCon is wonderful. Just come.